Yo, what is up, boys? Today is not motovlog day. Today we are working on the abandoned Miata, and today we are replacing this piece. Now, if you don't know what this got about 15 different names. Cam angle sensor, crankshaft position sensor. What does the box call it? Ignition and engine management.
The premium choice.
The premium choice. It's got a million different names, but we think that this could be my culprit. I'm hoping this is my culprit. And I'll tell you why I went down this rabbit hole. So the last videos were filmed a while ago and we couldn't fix it, as you saw. But I was reading some comments, did some research, talked to ChatGPT a lot, looked at a lot of Reddit forums, did a lot of that stuff. And when my car is cranking, there is no RPMs. It stays at 0. It doesn't move. And there are a couple different reasons that could happen, but the main one was this fella right here. And as you can see, she is disgusting. She's been leaking for a while. This O-ring is completely flat. You can actually see how flat it is. So I'm thinking that this could be our culprit. And even if it's not, if we can get my RPMs to go up, then we know that could be one less problem that is solved. So watch us struggle to get this part out.
All right, move the plug.
I am. Both plugs are coming off and this hoodie's coming off. I don't want to get it.
You're gonna ruin that Levi's shirt?
I don't care. It's too small anyway.
Yeah, you do look kind of fat.
Okay. Okay, so this plug's gonna have to come off.
That
can just rest there. So that plug, this plug. Oh, this one was already broken. Love that. That one doesn't want to come though.
Let me in there.
Oh, hang on. There it goes. Okay. So that's top, that's bottom. It probably only go in one way, but you never know.
Oh my gosh, is that a dual core radiator? Okay, already ripped my glove off to a fantastic start.
Yeah. All right, all the sensors are out of my way. Shove them down here.
Next on Nickelodeon, it's Josh versus Radiator Cap.
Let's see here. That one kind of looks a little ripped, but we'll deal with that problem later if we see it. Well, God bless. That is. Yeah, I ain't gonna be able to get a wrench on it, I don't think. Well, maybe.
Timber, you can do that.
Oh, I think it is a 12. Well, I'll be a son of a gun. She's a 12.
Oh!
All right, let me take this watch off.
I cut my finger right there.
How'd you cut your finger?
Your stupid radiator.
Yeah, it's sharp, I know. I had to install that son of a thing.
Where was it made?
China. Gosh, she has been leaking for a while back here.
How are you even gonna get that out?
It pulls, it fits out barely, but it'll come. I think pulling up.
Probably.
Yeah, it came. Pause. Oh, you know what?
What?
I forgot the new part.
Let Daddy take a look. Yeah, yep.
Okay. What are you doing?
Fiddling.
I got the new part. New part's right here.
Ignition and management solutions. The premium choice.
Yeah, it's a cheap one.
The fact that they state that it's a premium choice makes me believe that it's not.
It's not a premium choice. Yeah, I know. I agree.
Oh, cancer. Perfect. Yeah! Woo! CarQuest. You want to get high?
Yeah, this stuff will make you feel good.
Yeah, it'll make you feel real good till you have a blistering headache.
Yeah, true. Now, here's the real important part. So, you dig in here too.
I'm digging.
We need to make sure we see how this comes out.
Okay.
Ooh, I dropped it, but I caught it. Give me pick my thing.
I'm going to swallow it.
Let's see.
I'm going to put it right there.
All right.
Careful.
Careful.
Is she coming?
Yeah, she's coming.
It's the first time Jones ever said that.
Okay, I see how they're... Oh, it was like this. It was like this.
Want to take a picture?
No, because I have to kind of finagle it out here.
Yeah, I should have taken a picture.
Okay, but you see how they're oriented?
No.
Okay.
Your fat finger in my way.
I'm sorry. It's a tight squeeze. It's a tight squeeze in here.
Nice.
Okay, they were kind of oriented like that, though.
Kinda?
Kind of.
Kinda, not really, but kinda.
Yeah.
That's good. At least you got chrome valve cover bolts. That's how you know it's good quality.
This hose might have to come off. Yeah, I think unless I go under all of this. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I can't find it. So, wow, she is lodged.
Lodge Casino.
Your choice for fun. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take off this.
Your plier?
Yeah, inside. Yeah, let me go get the hose clamps. Or pliers. Pliers. There we are. See, puppy. Let's see if we can't get this one out of here. Oops.
That wasn't it.
Nope, Mr. Larry.
Might have to spit on it.
I ain't gonna do that. Well, you come out. Whoops. Knocked a lot over. It ain't gonna come. She's out. Oh, yeah.
Dirtily.
Oh, do we remember how it came out?
Nope.
Was it like that?
You said you remember. I said, let's take a picture. You said, no. I remember.
Well, we gotta figure it out. Did I go under? Yeah, I went under.
Underpants.
Okay.
Wow, that was nice.
They said this is the kind of the annoying part, is like the trial and error.
I'm trying to get it lined up perfectly.
Because it has to be lined up in there perfectly. Get in there!
Whoa.
Sorry.
Good lord.
Sorry. Was it more up?
I told you we should have taken a picture, you silly goose.
Well, you know, I just don't remember which way it was. I wonder how hard you have to push it in there.
It can't be that hard.
No.
It came up pretty easy.
Yeah, I'm just going to keep doing micro. Well, it looks like there is a top and a bottom. Way then. See, that almost made like a noise.
Yeah, that sounded good. Here, let's stick my phone back there.
The camera should be like right over the hole, I think.
It still must have.
Let's take a look at it.
Stop it. How do you know when it's in?
It seats fully.
All the way?
Yeah, and it's just not seating at all. This sucks.
My carpal tunnel hurts.
Yeah, this sucks. All right, we have acquired a mirror. Let's see if we can see it any better. I'm not.
Can you actually see?
Yeah, but I'm not at the right angle. Nope, like up above it.
No, right there.
Oh,
sorry, brother.
Yeah, well, no, I can't.
I can see it. Hold on.
Okay.
Gotta focus it, kinda. It's focusing on the damn wrong thing.
We are close, I think.
Okay.
That's the best you got?
Yeah. Well, you got that one.
We're close.
Bottom. You see the tabs? It's like almost straight up and down.
I think it's, whoops, I think I just broke that connector.
Oh, you'll be fine. It's a Miata.
It just sucks that, like, there's no feedback to, like, tell you.
No.
And you have to go little by little. Dude, I wish I could just see in there.
I know.
Okay, boys. So this camera's actually almost dead. What did that take us? Like 2 hours?
It was a minute.
That took forever, and my brother just got it to go in. So we're gonna button everything up, get it close to look at the video and get close to where timing should be. And then I'll bring you back to see if it starts. Because now it's just reinstalling one bolt and plugging in a bunch of connectors. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, boys. Oh, I'm nervous. As you can see, it is still not fixed. Now, a couple things to address real quick. The reason I'm doing this outro is because it took me and my brother about 2.5 hours to get that part installed. It took us forever. And after I saw that the car didn't start, I didn't want to do an outro. So I just put the cameras down and just cried. But I know what a lot of you are probably thinking. And yes, that is next on the agenda if you are thinking timing. I've gotten a lot of Instagram DMs, a lot of comments on the Miata videos suggesting that it could have jumped timing or the timing belt could have snapped altogether. And me and my brother were looking up videos of this exact car and what it sounds like when the timing belt does go. I think it's a belt on my older car. What it sounds like, and it sounds exactly, I mean to a T, exactly what those videos sounded like. So yes, next Miata video will be addressing the timing. Once again, huge shout out to my brother for helping me because this would have been a nightmare to do by myself. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually really enjoyed editing this video. I thought it came out super good and I had a lot of fun editing it. And maybe we'll see if we can get Josh to help do the timing. So you guys already know the drill. Leave any comments though if you know or what you think it could be, and I will explore them. So you already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. Later!